Hoy for Benzinga, and here's a look at what you can expect from the markets today, Friday, October 18th. The U.S. government's 11th hour budget deal helped more than 80% of S&P 500 stocks rise on Thursday. Technology was the only sector to falter, with IBM's weaker than expected revenue taking the company's shares down 6.4%. On Friday, the Bank of Japan's governor said the effects of the central bank's stimulus programs were spreading throughout the economy. He said the bank will continue with its easing programs until the country achieves a 2% price stability target. China's GDP grew by 7.8% in the third quarter, its fastest pace in 2013. However, many analysts see the People's Bank of China shifting its stance from expansionary to neutral in the fourth quarter. The UK is encouraging Chinese companies to invest in nuclear power projects. On Thursday, the British government announced that Chinese companies can take a minority stake in the projects, but garner a majority stake over time. eBay's founder is planning to create a new media organization which he hopes will convert mainstream readers into engaged citizens. He's looking to recruit the journalists who exposed the U.S. surveillance program using Edward Snowden's leaked documents. Asian markets were higher on Friday. China's Shanghai Composite was up by 0.24%, and the Shenzhen Composite was up by 0.53%. The Hang Seng Index was up by 1.06%, but the Japanese Nikkei fell by 0.17%. European markets were up across the board heading into the weekend. The UK's FTSE was up by 0.22%, and the Eurozone Stock 600 was up by 0.26%. The Spanish IBEX gained 0.44%, and France's CAC 40 was up by 0.27%. In commodity markets, energy futures were quiet, with Brent futures up by 0.06% and WTI futures up by 0.07%. Gold fell by 0.26%, and silver was down by 0.10%. Industrial metals were mixed, with copper down 0.64% and tin up 1.17%. Currency markets were quiet on Friday. The euro traded steadily above the dollar at $1.36. The yen to dollar ratio was flat, but the pound gained 0.10% against the American currency, and the Australian dollar gained 0.13% against the greenback. Notable earnings releases on Friday include Honeywell International, Schlumberger, General Electric, and Morgan Stanley. Friday will be another quiet day on the economic calendar, with releases including Canadian CPI, Mexican unemployment, and U.S. leading indicators. And that's it for Friday's Market Primer. I'm Laura Hoy for Benzinga, wishing all of you good luck on your trades. Have a great weekend.